Hey y'all, welcome to I Need Your Body Health and Wellness Studio. My name is Gayla. I'm the owner and operator. Let's go inside and take a tour. So this is what it looks like when you first come in. This is the lobby area. There is a bathroom right here in the front. This is the merch area, athleisure wear, yoga gear, workout gear. I also sell waist beads. If you go straight down the hallway, you'll see these beautiful paintings. I actually purchased these, but the focal point when you first come in is this wall, and I actually hand painted that wall. This is the massage room. It's pink right now. Really nice, really relaxing. It's art on the walls, little pink couch, super cute in there. This is the main area where we work out, host events, famous trap yoga, which you guys all love. It took us a while to get the construction done. We had 2 walls here. There was a closet here. I knocked everything out to open up the space, and I absolutely love it. In the back, I have my rower and also my crystal singing bowls, which I absolutely love. I love playing those during class. I have some vintage Eartha Kitt photos, which are just beautiful. I love looking at those. Rocket yoga, more art, and this is the closet that has overflow of merch, more workout equipment, workout posters. This wall has all of my degrees and certifications and all of that, so you can see I'm qualified, y'all. This is my cork wall, so it has photos of some of my favorite events, business cards from local businesses. This is my office. I haven't decorated much, but there's my son, a few books, pretty much my desk, beautiful picture, and that's it.